Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to hide photos and videos on your Xiaomi 14T Pro. So first of all, make sure that you have your Google Files. Usually it's installed by the default. However, if it's not, make sure to install it from your Play Store. So open up your Google Files, press Allow. Now go to Images and choose the image you desire to hide. For example, this one. Give it a hold. Now tap on this three horizontal dots at the top right corner and choose Move to Save Folder. Now, if you haven't created your save folder yet, you will be prompted to do that. So let's do that. Now we are to choose a lock. Let's choose a pin. All right, press Next. Let's confirm our pin. All right, press Got it. And as you see, it was moved to our secret folder. If you want to unhide your picture, find your Save folder in your Google Files application, press Save folder, enter your PIN, and simply you can open up this picture. And if you want to move it out of the Save folder, once again, press on the three horizontal dots and press Move out of Save folder. Easy as that. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.